Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more banking comparisons and financial advice. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. Please remember that this video reflects my own experiences. Choosing between Fifth Third Bank and First Citizens Bank depends largely on your individual banking needs and preferences. Let's break down the key features of each to help you decide which one is the right fit for you. Fifth Third Bank boasts a widespread network of over 1,100 branches across the United States, providing convenient access for many. It offers a complete suite of personal banking services, encompassing everything from checking and savings accounts to mortgages, credit cards, and even investment services. A significant advantage of Fifth Third is its competitive interest rates, especially for savings accounts and money market options, allowing you to potentially maximize your returns. Furthermore, Fifth Third provides a robust digital banking experience with a highly rated mobile app, enabling bill payments, mobile check deposits, and account management from anywhere. This makes Fifth Third an excellent choice for customers who value a comprehensive range of financial services coupled with the convenience of both physical branches and digital banking tools. Alternatively, First Citizens Bank distinguishes itself through its emphasis on personalized customer service and a tailored banking experience. Concentrated primarily in the southeastern and western regions of the U.S., First Citizens delivers a wide array of services including checking and savings accounts, auto loans, mortgages, and wealth management. Their focus leans towards long-term financial planning and building strong customer relationships, making them a suitable option for individuals seeking a more hands-on and personalized approach to their financial matters. In addition to personal banking, First Citizens also offers a comprehensive business banking segment, catering to entrepreneurs with services such as small business loans, merchant services, and dedicated business accounts. To summarize, if you prioritize a bank with broad national coverage, a diverse portfolio of services, and a user-friendly digital banking platform, Fifth Third Bank might be the more suitable choice. However, if you value personalized attention, strong customer support, and tailored financial solutions, First Citizens Bank could be a better fit. Be sure to utilize the links in the description to explore the offerings of both banks in more detail and select the one that best aligns with your financial objectives.